Do you start your morning feeling tired or feeling powerful? What if small morning habits could change your whole day? Today, I will share my real morning routine, not just actions, but feelings. First, you will hear a slow and emotional version. Then you will hear a natural speed version. At the end, we will practice shadowing together. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. At first, I feel very sleepy. My eyes are heavy, and my body feels warm under the blanket. For a moment, I want to stay in bed. But then I remind myself, this is a new day. Slowly, I sit up. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. The room is quiet. In that quiet moment, everything feels peaceful. Then I walk to the window and gently open the curtain. Soft sunlight enters my room. The sky is light blue. When I see the morning light, I feel hopeful. After that, I wash my face with cold water. The cold water wakes me up. I look in the mirror and smile. I quietly say, "Today will be a good day." A few minutes later, I put on comfortable clothes and go outside. Near my house, there is a small garden. I walk there every morning. When I enter the garden, I feel calm inside. The trees move slowly with the wind. Birds sing softly above me. I notice an old man sitting on a bench. He reads his newspaper carefully. Sometimes he stops and looks at the sky. I wonder what he is thinking about. Not far away, a young woman is jogging. She runs slowly but confidently. Her face shows determination. Near the playground, two small children laugh loudly. They chase a red ball. Their mother watches them with loving eyes. When I see them, I feel warm inside. The garden is full of stories. Every person has a different life. After 20 minutes, I sit on a bench. I close my eyes and listen to the wind. In that quiet moment, I feel thankful. Then I walk back home. I prepare a simple breakfast. Usually, I eat eggs and toast. While I eat, I think about my goals. And just like that, my day begins. My routine is simple, but it gives me strength. It gives me peace. And most importantly, it gives me focus. Now, listen again at normal speed. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock and feel sleepy at first, but I remind myself that each day is a new opportunity. I stretch, open the curtain, and let the sunlight in. Seeing the bright sky makes me feel hopeful. After getting ready, I walk to the garden near my house. The garden feels peaceful, and I see different people living their own stories. An old man reads quietly. A young woman jogs with determination, and children laugh while playing. Watching them reminds me that life is full of small, beautiful moments. After sitting quietly for a few minutes, I return home, eat breakfast, and prepare for the day. My morning routine is simple, but it gives me calm energy and confidence. When I start my morning well, the rest of my day feels better. Now we will practice shadowing. Listen and repeat immediately. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. The sunlight enters my room. I feel peaceful in the morning. I walk to the garden near my house. I see people with different stories. My routine gives me strength. Every new day is a new opportunity. I start my day with focus and gratitude. Excellent work. Practice this every day to improve your English.